An amiable welcome to everyone. This is our Lekdom channel to enhance your understanding. Today's topic is about laryngeal mask airway. Laryngeal mask airway are supraglottic airway devices. They're also called as LMA. LMA ventilation is a method for providing rescue ventilation to an unconscious patient. It is an immediate life-saving measure in a patient with a difficult or failed airway. Indications. As an alternative to intubation, where difficult intubation is anticipated, securing airway in an emergency situation where intubation and mask ventilation becomes impossible, or as an elective method for minor to moderate surgeries where the anesthetist electively wants to avoid intubation in case of any emergency. Contraindication. LMA is contraindicated where a patient is full stomach, hiatus hernia, pregnancy, oropharyngeal abscess, or in case of mass. LMA can be classified as first generation and second generation LMA. Now we'll see about first generation LMA. Classical LMA, it is discovered by Archie Bain, therefore called as brain mask. It is placed blindly in the oropharynx and the cuff is inflated with a large volume of air. Inflated cuff seals the lateral and the posterior pharyngeal wall and the patient can be ventilated through ventilation ports. LMA are available in 7 different sizes. LMA unique. Once this LMA is placed in the airway, it is reliable and the airway becomes stable. Primarily, it is made up of a medical grade PVC. It is available in different sizes. LMA flexible. The tube of a LMA is enforced with a wire, making it flexible. It is also a non-bendable LMA, which makes it useful for head and neck surgeries. Next, advantages. LMA are easy to insert. They provide a better ventilation. No continual maintenance of a mask seal. Less risk of trauma, protection from secretions, does not require any laryngoscope and a muscle relaxant, it is reusable. Disadvantages. As air can leak into the esophagus, LMA increases the risk of aspiration. It can also cause laryngospasm and airway obstruction if displaces anteriorly. Trauma to oral cavity if excessive pressures are being used. Sore throat. Second generation LMA. So second generation LMA, it provides a better seal, thereby decreasing the chances of aspiration. The LMA which comes under second generation LMA are intubating LMA. Intubating LMA is a specially designed supraglottic airway device that can be used as a conduit to facilitate intubation. Up to 8 number endotracheal tube can be guided through this LMA. ProSeal LMA. It has a larger and a posterior cuff which provides better seal. Moreover, it has a drain tube which can be used to deflate the stomach. Supreme LMA. Supreme LMA is a single-use LMA. It forms an effective first seal with the oropharynx and a second seal with the upper esophageal sphincter, reducing the risk of aspiration. Supreme LMA is like ProSeal LMA with a bite block to avoid damage to the LMA tube if the patient bites. iGel LMA, as the name suggests, the cuff is already filled with gel, avoiding the complication of air-filled cuff such as cuff leakage, damage and puncture. Like ProSeal iGel also contains a drain tube which can be used to deflate the stomach. LMA C-Trach. It provides a visual of an airway when the LMA is proceeded inside by attaching it to a screen. Thank you.